Here, we'll delve into options trading, a powerful tool for those who seek to leverage their investments beyond traditional stocks. Imagine being able to buy the right to purchase shares at a future date, giving you control over your investment choices. Next, we explore the world of growth stocks. These are companies poised for significant expansion, often in innovative sectors. By identifying these opportunities early, you can ride the wave of growth and enhance your portfolio's performance. But how do you make informed decisions in such a dynamic market? That's where market analysis comes into play. It's about understanding trends, evaluating company performance, and making predictions that align with your financial goals. Mastering market analysis can transform you from a passive investor into a proactive strategist. As you integrate these advanced strategies into your investment plan, remember that knowledge is your most valuable asset. Continuously educate yourself and adapt to market changes. In the next segment, we'll hear from young investors who have successfully navigated these strategies to achieve financial success. Their stories will inspire and guide you on your journey towards becoming a millionaire. Meet a new generation of investors who have defied the odds, turning dreams into reality through the stock market. Listen as they share their journeys, offering invaluable insights and lessons learned from their experiences. These young investors demonstrate the power of persistence, showing that success is not just about making smart choices, but also about staying the course, even when the market gets tough. Their stories reveal how determination and strategic thinking can lead to financial triumph. By learning from their successes, you too can navigate the market with confidence and skill. Let their achievements inspire you to take bold steps in your own investment journey. As we hear their voices, remember that the road to financial success is paved with both knowledge and resilience. Now, let's explore how staying informed and up-to-date with market trends can further enhance your investment strategy, ensuring you're always ahead of the curve. The stock market is a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape. To navigate it successfully, staying informed is not just an option, it's a necessity. As young investors aiming to become millionaires, being in tune with market trends can mean the difference between a smart investment and a missed opportunity. Today, we're diving into essential tools and resources that help you analyze the market effectively. From real-time news platforms to in-depth financial reports, these resources equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. But remember, learning never stops. The market is always moving, and continuous education is key to keeping up. Whether it's attending webinars, reading the latest books, or joining investment forums, each step you take towards learning keeps you ahead of the curve. So embrace the change, stay curious, and remain adaptable. Up next, we'll explore how you can start your investment journey and put these strategies into action. Let's continue to build your path to financial success. You've journeyed through the world of stock investing, absorbing strategies and insights that can pave your path to financial success. Now it's time to transition from learning to doing. The key investment strategies you've discovered are not just theories, they're actionable steps waiting for you to take. Start by setting clear financial goals and creating a budget that allows for regular investments, no matter how small. Remember, consistency is your ally. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and increase potential returns. Consider starting with a mix of stocks, bonds, or ETFs that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. As you gain confidence, expand into more complex investment vehicles. Stay informed by continually educating yourself about market trends and economic shifts. Most importantly, take that first step today. Open an investment account if you haven't already. It's easier than ever, with numerous online platforms designed for young investors like you. Begin by investing in what you know and believe in, companies or sectors you're passionate about. This isn't just about building wealth, it's about gaining the freedom to shape your future. Every investment you make is a step closer to achieving your dreams of financial independence. So, what are you waiting for? Your investment journey starts now. In the next segment, we'll explore how your path to wealth can be realized through strategic investing. As we conclude this journey into the world of stock investments, let's reflect on what we've explored. Throughout this video, we've unlocked powerful strategies that can pave your way to becoming a millionaire. From understanding stock market basics to mastering advanced investment techniques, each step brings you closer to financial independence. Remember, the potential to transform your financial future is real and attainable. By applying the strategies discussed, diversifying your investments, and staying informed, you set the foundation for success. The stock market offers opportunities for those ready to seize them. Now, it's your turn to take action. Share this knowledge with friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into achieving financial greatness. By building a community of informed young investors, we can inspire each other to reach new heights. So what's your next move? Will you embark on this journey towards wealth and security? Becoming a millionaire is within your reach, but it starts with a decision today. Take control of your financial destiny and begin your path to wealth. Together, let's empower a new generation of investors ready to change their lives through strategic investing. Thank you for joining us, and remember, your financial future is yours to create.